Welcome to the Quick Start Guide. The Quick Start Guide will step you through on how to set up your remote desktop login for the hosted version of Glassquote 7 and address the basics needed in order to run your business through Glassquote 7 as you continue to enter your company's information. Follow these steps to create a shortcut for the remote desktop connection for Glassquote 7. Double-click on the icon for the remote desktop connection to open. At computer, enter in rdp1.gqhosting.net. Click on Options, Local Resources tab, then click on the More button. Check the Drives box and click OK. Click on the General tab. At username, enter gqhosting.net/your username provided to you by Quest. Click Connect. Please note that logins are concurrent, and if the software will be used by more than one user at the same time, you will need multiple logins. Please contact your salesperson with any questions. At the password, type in the password given to you by Quest. Please note that the password is case sensitive. Click OK. You are logged into the RDP server. Click on the Glassquote 7 icon and log in with your username and password admin. Now the basics will be addressed, which will allow you to quote nags, query and order from your vendors, and EDI your invoices. Click on Utilities, then Company Information. You will need to name your location. This could be your city or headquarters, corporate location. Enter in name and location description. Enter in your address, city, state, zip, phone and fax numbers, and federal tax ID number. Click on the Invoicing tab. Enter in an invoice prefix. This is up to 3 alpha characters. Click on Save and then X out of the Company Information screen. To enter billing codes, click on Maintenance, Miscellaneous, Billing Codes. Click on the wizard icon, click Next. At Billing Code, enter R1. At Description, enter Retail Level 1. Click on Next. Leave this box unchecked and click Next. Click Price from Cost Plus and flat dollar amount for both windshield and tempered. Leave OEM as price from NAG's list. Click Next. We are marking up from a flat dollar amount. Enter in a dollar amount for windshield and tempered. Click Next. Enter in the amounts for the different kits and click Next. At labor rates, select Flat Labor Rate. Click Next. Enter in your labor rate for windshield and tempered. Click Next. Check if your windshield repairs are considered labor. Enter in your pricing for windshield repairs, cracks, and headlamp repairs. Click Next when you're finished. Click on Finish. Check the retail billing code for use on the comparison screen. This will be used in the Profit Protector feature. Click on Save. Run the billing code wizard 2 more times. Set up a retail level 2, which would be a lesser flat dollar amount than level 1, and a retail level 3, which would be your lowest markup from your cost. Tax codes are individual taxes such as state, county, and city taxes that are grouped to make a tax group. Click on Maintenance, Taxes, and Tax Code Entry. At Tax Code, enter an abbreviation for your state. At Description, enter in the state name. At Percent, enter in your tax rate. Click on Save. Enter in additional tax codes. Now create your tax group that will be used as your default tax group. Click on Maintenance, Taxes, Tax Group Entry. At Tax Group, enter in the code for the tax group. You will need to enter in each tax code that will be applied in the group. To look up entered tax codes, click on the icon with the 3 dots. Double-click to add the code to the tax group. Click on Save. If you will be basing your pricing from cost, you will need to set up your vendors from where you purchased your glass. Quest can electronically order from Pilkington, PGW, and Migrant. Technical support will need to assist you with setting up the vendors once you have an active account. Contact tech support at tech@questsoftware.com. Vendor entry is under Maintenance Accounts Vendor Entry. You will now need to enter the rest of your defaults on your company screen. Click on Utilities, Company Information. Enter your default tax group. Click on the three dots button to look up your entered tax groups. Click on the Invoicing tab. Check the boxes beside Automatically Display Order Window when saving a work order and Automatically Display Order Window when saving an invoice. Click on the Auto tab. Set the default billing code to R1. You will need to set your fixed costs for use with the Profit Protector feature. Examples of fixed cost include labor, kits, and fuel surcharge. Click on Add. Enter a description and cost. Then click OK. Enter in a minimum profit amount. Click on the EDI tab. Enter in your QCS account number assigned by Quest. You must have signed and returned an EDI services agreement to receive this number. Contact tech@questsoftware.com with any questions. Click on the Internet button under EDI type. Then click on Internet EDI Setup. Enter in your Internet service provider and click Save. Now click on the Save button to save your updated company information. This completes the Quick Start Guide. You now will be able to quote, order, and EDI.